Holy crap, everything's orange. Look at that. The storm. Everything is orange. The sky is orange. Wow, this is awesome. Petro 62 reporting for, what kind of storm is this? Orange. I gotta stay out of the rain, and I don't want my feet to get wet because of the lightning. Pretty awesome. This is the lightning, dang it. I don't want to stand out here. My battery went dead from my other video. And I don't want water on my lens. This is pretty cool. Wow, great video. You know what makes it all orange? Well, we got an orange sky in the middle of a storm. Sun's going down, I guess. Or maybe it will make like a sunset. Pretty cool, huh? Still lightning. Man, I think I might have to go in. Petro 62 reporting for channel 62, just in case. Whoa. Just in case lightning strikes me and I'm dead. Okay? See that? You going out there? Not a good idea. No, they did when the front came in. We're okay. The front, it won't blow over no more. I think the wind's all gone. Oh. Boy, I'll tell you what.
I gotta go in a minute.
Yeah. I hope my lens isn't getting all covered with water. I might have to check it. Oh man, I wiped my lens and I missed the lightning. Good move. Okay. Oh my God. It's turning blue right there, and it's still orange back there. But I saw a great lightning over there, way up there. Went all the way across the sky. I missed it because I was aiming towards the back. But the lightning is all over here, where the blue and the orange meet. Ooh. The light does. Get that? Don't seem to like lightning. you can see me. B channel 62. Oh. Did I miss that one? I don't have a tripod right now. Okay, ready? I think I'm going to go in. That might be enough. So, here's what I'm going to do. Petro 62 reporting for lots of lightning. B channel 62.
Channel 62.